Now you want to make good videos, but you don't have the expensive gears to make your videos look professional. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in a few steps how you can use CapCut to enhance the quality of your videos and take it from ordinary to pro. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in a few steps how you can use CapCut to enhance the quality of your videos and take it from ordinary to pro. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in a few steps how you can use CapCut to enhance the quality of your videos and take it from ordinary to pro. Now go to CapCut and import your video and then drag it onto the timeline. The next thing you want to do is to go to the retouch tab, and here you can make your skin smoother, brighter, or even whiten your teeth if you want. So on the screen you can see the settings I have used. You can use your own preferred settings. So let's reduce the image noise. Go to the basic tab again and scroll down to reduce image noise. And select weak, and then allow it to completely apply. You can see at the top it's already uploaded, so allow that to complete. Then go to the audio tab above. In the audio tab, select the reduce noise option first, and after that select the enhanced voice option, and then you can adjust it to your liking. This setting will make your voice sound more like studio quality. This last step will make any video look better. So go to the adjustment tab, go to curves, and at the top there, make a point and drag it slightly upwards. And move down as well, make a point and drag it slightly downward. You can already see there's a clear difference in the image of your video. Once that is done, your videos should sound and look like you have used professional gears to shoot it. If you'd like to go further to make your video look more professional, go ahead and watch the video on your screen and learn how you can set up your background lighting to look more professional. Now, if you'd like to change the background of your video, please watch the video on your screen and learn how you can set up a fake but realistic background for your videos. So I hope this was helpful. Please go try it out and give me your feedback in the comment below. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.